Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today I have for you guys a quick and fairly easy DIY for the fall season. It is being made with mostly Dollar Tree items. Here in the back I have a couple of the fluted tall hurricane vases that Dollar Tree carries on the regular right now in my area. It took us a while to get those in, but I do believe most Dollar Tree has them. If they do not have them, they still always carry the normal shorter hurricane vase that is in the front of that. I also have some of the tea light holders that are on the tall stems. I have a couple of different sizes here. The smaller one will fit nicely in the regular hurricane, and the two taller ones, which is the middle size that Dollar Tree actually sells, fit nicely in the big hurricanes in the back. They also carry one more that's a little taller. I do have that in my stash, but I think the middle size fits in the back ones better. I also have several different Dollar Tree ribbons that are there, and also some of the LED candles. They come in several different colors. I have off-white and one white one. Those will work nicely in those, even though they're not tea lights. And then Dollar Tree carries tea lights in regular candles, as you see I have sitting there, and those are kind of a rusty color. They come 6 in a pack and they have a variety of colors for fall for those right now too. They also have white, cream, and a variety of colors of the LED tea lights. However, I am already utilizing mine in my home, so I don't have those to show you. I do believe I'm going to use the normal candles in this. I have also here in the front this beautiful garland that I thrifted earlier this year. It was about $1. It's in tones of like greens with a little bit of purple and stuff. And also in the box in the back is vase filler that are little mini pumpkins that came from Target originally, but my thrift store had them for 99 cents. Now, you can use any kind of filler in these vases that you like. Dollar Tree carries stones and pebbles. They carry little crystal-like rocks, sands, and things like that. There is a lot there to choose from to put in the vases. However, since I thrifted these little pumpkins, I'm going to be using that. And for the garland, Dollar Tree has all kinds of floral garlands, though I think I'm taking the garland apart. So they also carry leaves on a stem and picks that you can use, or any other decorations that you'd like to do. So let's just jump into this and see what I come up with. So here is what they look like all completed except for the embellishment that I'm going to do on the outside. I simply took off a few of the leaves on my garland. I also saved out a few of the pumpkins to see if I want to use those. And I found this really pretty ribbon already in my stash that matches all the colors. This is such an easy DIY to do, and it doesn't cost very much at all. If you had to buy all of the products from the Dollar Tree, I do believe you can put the entire thing together for about $5 or $6, depending on if you already have a few of the items in your stash. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacey's Space yet, I don't know why not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacey's Space, the same way that it's spelled here. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.